Curiosity is the key to problem solving. Two truths cannot contradict one another. Nature is relentless and unchangeable, and it is indifferent as to whether its hidden reasons and actions are understandable to man or not. Philosophy, nature, is written in that great book which ever is before our eyes, I mean the universe, but we cannot understand it if we do not first learn the language and grasp the symbols in which it is written. And the earth, turning upon itself, moves round the sun. You cannot teach a man anything. You can only help him find it within himself. I have never met a man so ignorant that I couldn't learn something from him. All truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them. I do not feel obliged to believe that the same God who has endowed us with sense, reason, and intellect has intended us to forego their use. He who does not know the truth is only a fool, but he who knows it and calls it a lie is a criminal. Mathematics is the language in which God has written the universe. Who would set a limit to the mind of man? Who would dare assert that we know all there is to be known? Benevolence should be bronzed and insults thrown to the wind. Measure what can be measured and make measurable what cannot be measured. I know they call a donkey a horse when they want to sell it, and a horse a donkey when they want to buy. In questions of science, the authority of 1,000 is not worth the humble reasoning of a single individual. I love the stars too much to be afraid of the night. He who understands geometry is able to understand everything in this world. I value the discovery of a single truth, however insignificant, more highly than the pussyfooting around about the highest questions. By denying scientific principles, one may maintain any paradox. Doubt is the father of invention.